Hi, thank you for coming to this session. I start the presentation and experiment about personalized front-end for Debian org. This file was already published at Rabbit Threshold, so you can also download this presentation. Let me just start by introducing myself. I'm one of the Debian maintainers and the founder of TalkBack and Wave. I'm also working for Create Code. Usually, I'm developing and supporting software as an engineer. There is a culture to respect free software. So my colleague gave me feedback for this talk. In this session, this presentation is related to Debian org, but I will not talk about improving Debian org itself and internal details. Here's the session agenda. First, I'll explain why so curious about Debian org and show you the troublesome cases. Next, I'll explain how to solve this situation and demonstrate an actual problem. Here's a screenshot of Debian org. I guess you're familiar with it. In Debian org, we need to follow the rules. 1. Communicate with each other by email. 2. Change status by sending email. One day, I received duplicated notification about Go4Next. Go4Next is a notification software. One is related to Rip App Indicator, and the other is related to Debian. About Rip App Indicator, just migrated to Rip Alternate Indicator. About Debian, I need to fix change interfaces and migrate it into GDBus. Two bugs about Go4Next package was fixed, but also what about other packages? Rip App Indicator and Debian was tracked like this. Against Rip App Indicator, there are many bugs. Against Debian, there are too many blocked bugs. In this case, we can use user tags to track bugs. For Rip App Indicator, Alternate App Indicator is used as user tag. It should be tagged, but user tag not available for Debian. Like this. This is a case that user tag is not always used. How to solve this situation? The answer is using UDD. UDD can track user tags and blocking bugs. So first, I fixed or sent feedback to some bugs. I began to feel the following one is needed. Tracking a specified bug, finding a bug that no one working on, sending counter email in required form, and finding new affected bugs. First topic is solved by using UDD, but how about the rest issues? Surely, it is good manner to fix bugs, but it's not easy. It's also good to triage bugs, but it may be troublesome. To know affected bugs are also important, but it is not so easy until it hits you. In the past, there are some grave or critical bugs either affected boot sequence or route in user session. I want to avoid these bugs. I've searched existing useful services via Debian Wiki. Developer Horizon seems well, but not available. Feather also seemed well, but discontinued already. I've also heard debugs trying enhancement so, but it's a bit different what I want. As a result, Debian popularity content and public utility mirror seem useful. So I've started a personal project. The concept of this project is make a stable life comfortable. It seems that it is ridiculous but important for me. To achieve this concept, I need to do some tasks, creating comments for each bug and adding separate metadata, checking install packages to erase affected bugs. First of all, correcting email archives, public data, install package list, and so on are also required. To correct email archives, we can use Bags Mirror with Rsync. Email archive contains raw and summary files. There are many Power modules to handle backstay or related pieces of stuff. For example, raw and main module is used to parse raw file. Status module is used to parse summary file. You can access these bars metadata. As UDD provides public database access, so we can get pop-up stats and investigate which bug affect unstable or not. As popularity content command can correct insert binary packages information. It's useful to check recently used packages. After correcting these information, updating back information is required regularly. I've used Debian backstay variant list as a trigger to update and import it into database. For my experiment, I prepared small VBS instance. Here's a simple diagram for explaining the system. When server is Nginx, application server is Pugo, and backend database is Gurunga. It accesses external services, email server, UDD for metadata, SASA for authentication. As the diagram indicates, I will name this personal system as Fiber. Fiber is famous by the study of insects. I borrowed this name from discontinued similar project in decades ago. The concept of this project is make a stable life comfortable. Here's a partial screenshot of Fiber. It shows its number of comments. Orange background color means no one working on yet. I've added each mail to button to send control email. I've aligned box box like this. I've added dashboard to show file icon. It indicates that there are affected bugs. I'll show you some demos about Fiber. I'll demonstrate some features of Fiber. If you already sign in with SAS account, you can also sign in with Fiber. You need explicitly allow to authorize with Fiber. After signing in, you can access the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see your status. As you can see, there are 3 affected bars, 9 bookmarked bars, and you install 1,700 packages. At the bottom of the dashboard, you can check the existence of newer comments since you commented finally. Let's see the affected bugs. This information is based on your installed packages. Let's see the bookmarked bugs. In every bug detail page, bookmark button is shown, so you can track bug freely. You can see recent update bugs, release critical bugs, and the newcomer bugs. Here's the bug detail page. You can view original bug report, or tweet about bugs, and send control email easily. That's all about Fiber demonstration. In the system, tracked bugs are reached to 89,000. Utility tracks 90,000 bugs, so it covered most of them. Currently, Bug information is updated every 1 hour, and affected bugs are also updated every 1 day. This disk usage is about 1.5 gigabytes. There is one weak point above our idle memory occurs sometimes. There's plenty of room of improvement to develop. So I'll go for this experiment first of all. In my experiment, I found that mashup some data sources may improve user